Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this super cool portable camping outdoors portable fan for your nightstand. This thing is everything, and this thing is a beast. Let me tell you that this portable fan packs 20,000 milliamps battery. So that means a lot of things. So first of all, let's start with the actual fan. So you can see that it has a handle right here for easy transportation, but also since it's a camping fan, actually it comes with this hook right here that you're gonna see super easy, so you can actually hang it from the tent if you need. And since you can tilt it, it's super convenient to have for that, because you can actually tilt it, so you can actually point it up or down or any direction, as you can see. So that's actually pretty good for hanging out from the tent, as I said before. The other best thing about this one is that it comes with a remote controller. So that's super convenient to have. It comes right here with the speed, with the dimmable light that I'm going to show you in a few seconds, with the sleep mode, the oscillating, and also the timer. So you want to talk about camping stuff? Okay, so let's actually turn it on. You can turn it on with this or with the remote controller. As you can see before, it has right here the battery display, so you know how much battery has left. If it is kind of like bothering you with the lights at night or something like that, you can actually turn it off. So you're gonna turn off these lights right here, and it comes with multiple speeds. So that's actually a lot. Let me actually show you something super cool. That is not even the max speed. This is kind of like less than half, and you can see how this thing is blowing right now. So this thing is super powerful, but the 20,000 milliamps battery is also super good. You know what? I'm gonna turn it off right now, and you can see that it keeps going. So 4 speeds. Let me actually show you something. I think that's gonna give you kind of like a taste of this power. And I put it in my microphone now. So probably you can hear all that wind blowing. The thing that I was telling you before about the 20,000 milliamps is that this thing right here comes with 2 ports right here, one for charging, and the other one you can actually connect a device for charging purposes. If you're like out camping or something like that, you can actually do that and charge your phone and devices at all times as well. And also comes with a timer right here and the oscillating, which I think it's super cool also for that tent thing. But the best feature of this portable fan is this right here. It comes with a light, which I think it's perfect for the camping and outdoor life, as I was saying before. I think this is a must-have if you like the outdoors. It's a little bit big for like a nightstand, but I think that for the other purposes, it is really good to have. I like it, and the remote control is a really nice plus that you can actually have it with you. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.